I'm Andy from RS Bovice, and today we're going to introduce a new technology called Smart Riser technology. And what that is the introduction of levels actually put into the riser of a boat. Today we're using a Realm, or you can use a Realm X as well. And I'll have John demonstrate for you. Okay, so now we're going to introduce the level set to the Realm, and we're going to put the top level in first. So there'll be a little indicator mark to what direction the level goes in, and you just seat it. We're using an arrow, a little cutoff for an arrow to seat it. Now you have the round plug that'll go on that side, and it sits nice and flush. You can put a tiny bit of silicone if you'd like, just to secure it. We turn the bow over to the other side, and you'll find the other cap that fits the exact shape. Again, a tiny bit of silicone if you'd like, just to keep it in place. There you go. Very neat. Okay, now we're going to put the riser level in place. So you just fit it into the hole in the riser gently, and then you're just going to, with a tiny bit of pressure, tap it into place until it becomes even with the front of the riser. Now, if you'd like, again, to secure it, you put a tiny bit of silicone around it, just a tiny bit, and that would hold it a little more securely in place, if in fact that's the way you would like to do it.
Go ahead.
Okay, so now using the RS Bovice with the micro tune knob, we're just going to move the bow up slightly. Okay, so now we know the bow is true. We're going to true up the arrow to 90 degrees. We're going to move the knocking point up and down using our very pitched level until the bubble touches the first line, and then it will secure the knock in place. And that now is a perfect 90 degrees for your knocking position. Okay, so now if you notice, the bow is slightly tilted forward, and the riser level is now in the same position as the sight level, making everything perfectly in line. And that would be how you would line up your bubble with your riser in the Smart Riser technology setup. Okay, so we've installed the riser level here, and we've put our custom level for your knocking point here. It's now complete. So I'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And this is called the Smart Riser technology from RS Bovice. All the information that you would need is going to be at the end of the video.